Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Approximately 1 month ago, mainstream media broke a story alleging that all 4 families of the students involved in the catastrophic events at 1122 King Road were apparently bonding together and would be suing Washington State University without disclosing what the theory of liability was related to the crimes at 1122 King Road. A few days later, that story was modified to now state that it would be 1 family. Today is December 11th, 2025, and as of the time of the recording of this podcast episode, there is absolutely no evidence of a summons or a complaint filed against Washington State University connected to 1122 King Road. The sole lawsuit for money damages civilly that has been pending for almost 3 years now and is getting ready to go to trial is Scofield versus Guillard. We have been reporting on this case. It involves a 2-count complaint for defamation that the plaintiff, the University of Idaho professor, Scofield, brought against an online personality / psychic, Ashley Guillard. Liability has been found in favor of the plaintiff on partial summary judgment as a matter of law. She also won the opportunity to seek punitive damages from the jury. The sole matter that is scheduled to be entertained by a jury in February in Boise federal court is whether the plaintiff is entitled to any damages, and if so, what amount. We previously reported that the defense, after vigorously defending her position, filing document after document in the case, had suddenly stopped. Her last known filing is September 23rd, 2025. Since then, she has missed multiple critical deadlines that were set through the middle of October, such as filing a trial brief, jury instructions proposed, motions in limine, trial witness lists, trial exhibit lists, and more. They still do not appear on the docket even now, after the time that all these deadlines came and went. At this point, there's another pre-trial deadline that has been set by the trial order for the parties to get together and notify the judge on or before January 30th. That's a deadline that's coming up next month. If this matter has settled or if it will go to trial. And then a week later, in early February, comes the first pretrial conference. And then shortly thereafter, a second pretrial conference. And then finally, the jury trial, which is currently set for 4 days. Given this late time on the calendar, with all of these past deadlines missed and more coming up, the rhetorical question is asked: has the defense abandoned this case? Will this be a rare situation of an empty chair at trial, where it would just be the plaintiff before the jury arguing her case for damages? We're going to continue to monitor Scofield versus Guillard. We're going to continue to monitor the situation regarding a possible lawsuit against Washington State University, and we'll provide you with updates as they materialize. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.